This stuff is amazing, guys. You really need to try it at home. This is how white my teeth is just after one use. But what makes it even all the better is the effectiveness.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and keeping safe. Welcome to another Beauty Wednesday. I'm so excited to bring this video to you because it is just so interesting to me and it is something that a lot of us are interested in. Now, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, please definitely consider subscribing and hit that like button. And if you're one of my OGs, welcome back. And thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. So today I'm doing a quick video on how to whiten your teeth at home. It is so effective, it is cheap, and most importantly, it is safe for you to do it yourself at home using a couple of ingredients that would probably be in your kitchen cupboard. It is so easy to make, and trust me guys, if you're interested in knowing how I make my teeth whitening remedy at home using safe pantry ingredients, then please keep watching. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll walk you through how to make this super easy teeth whitening paste at home. So these are the ingredients we need for our teeth whitening paste. This paste is so good, guys, trust me. So we're going to be starting with our turmeric powder. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of turmeric. This is our bicarbonate of soda. So we're going to be using 1.5 teaspoons. Stir it together. Now I'm going to be using some organic virgin coconut oil. We are going to be adding 2 tablespoons. Now I'm just going to leave that in the fridge for a bit to harden up a little because we want it quite pasty when we use it on our teeth. Now you can see how super easy it is for you to make your teeth whitening paste at home. Now before I go through the application process, I'm just going to give you an insight on the benefits that of each of the ingredients. Now I'm going to be starting with the turmeric. If you know me, you know I absolutely love turmeric. Turmeric is one of those beauty ingredients that is found its way not just to the kitchen but to our skin. It is so good. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Now for the skin, it helps to whiten the skin and brighten the skin, which is why I use it quite often in my skincare routine. I've got a turmeric face mask video, which I would link in the description, and I'll also put that video somewhere here. Now, with regards to our teeth, even though turmeric has got quite a bright yellow pigment, it also helps to whiten our teeth. Now, it takes it one step further by not just whitening our teeth, but also the antibacterial properties that are in our turmeric also helps to kill bacteria that are in our mouth. So if you find things like mild gum disease and gingivitis, it would help to kill all that off because of the antibacterial properties that turmeric has. So this ingredient is so good for our teeth and our mouth. Now the next ingredient we're going to be talking about is coconut oil. Now coconut oil has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. This also helps and aids to remove bacteria that you find around your teeth and in your mouth. There are some things that we eat and drink on a daily basis that can contribute to aging and staining our teeth in the long run. Coconut oil also helps to reduce bad breath, just anything that has got like any bacteria hanging around your mouth, fungal nature of the coconut oil with respect to our mouth and our teeth will just help to eradicate these things on there. So you find that you create a healthier environment within your mouth. Now, the last ingredient we're going to be using is our bicarbonate of soda, or baking soda as it's called. Now, the baking soda is the abrasive ingredient in this. It's the ingredient that has got the mild granules to it. Now, baking soda is really good to, give that mouth a good wash. It also has got like anti-staining, like for those who love coffee and tea. I'm a coffee and tea lover. Coffee and tea tends to leave like mild stains in your teeth, which can accumulate the older you get. So the baking soda, it helps as a whitening agent as well to whiten your teeth. It takes it one step further. It helps to eliminate bad breath as well. And it's really, really good for the teeth, the mouth area, because it also contributes in creating a healthier, less bacterial environment in your mouth. So I popped this in the fridge just to make it a bit hardened because we want it to be paste-like. And I'm going to be using a new toothbrush. I'm going to be designating that toothbrush. I'm just going to be using this today for my teeth whitening treatment. Now, a little disclaimer here, turmeric really, really stains. So you might need to be very careful when you use this on your mouth. So I've got on some lip balm, which would help to protect the corners of my mouth, because it can also leave that yellow residue in the corner of your mouth, which you might find a bit annoying and quite irritated. Or if you've got Vaseline at home, you can use that as well. So this is my paste here. I'm just going to pack some of that paste onto my toothbrush, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush my teeth. So I've rinsed that out with water, and now you're going to brush your teeth as normal. So I'm using the urethymol toothpaste. I like this toothpaste so much. I've used it for a long time, and I just like the way it gives my teeth and my mouth that antiseptic feel. So I'm just going to be brushing my teeth before. This stuff is amazing, guys. You really need to try it at home. Look how white my teeth is just after one use. So I would advise that you use this 2 times a week for you to see even more amazing results. You really need to try this. This is a safer and a quicker alternative if teeth whitening is too expensive. As you can see, this treatment took less than 5 minutes for me to do. I just want to smile more because my teeth just is so amazingly brighter. So if you do this often, you'd notice that your teeth would start to get whiter, whiter and whiter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to be trying out this whitening paste at home. It is cheap, it is easy, it's affordable, and it is very quick for you to use. But what makes it even all the better is the effectiveness. Please consider subscribing to my channel and definitely hit that like button. We can't wait to have you join in the family. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way again, it's FA signing out.